Hi, in today's tutorial, we are going to introduce you some interesting tips for you to modify animations you want. For basic functions, you can make animations faster or slower. You can even make animations change partly. It means for some part, make them faster, and for the other part, make them slowly. You can control the full flow of the animation. Sounds nice? Okay, now let's get started. Firstly, I have the asset. It's from here, from Untiy Motion RPG Monster Wave. I will show you for some testing. Let's bring some prefabs. I think the the orc looks very cool. And firstly, let's make animation controller. Let's make animator controller. It's called orc animator. Firstly, we will connect this animator with the prefab. Then let's go through into it. We will find some animation here. Let's play idle battle. Then we will play attack 1. Then we make it, and okay, let's preview the result. Now the orc will play attack animators here, as we can see, like this. It's play animations. Okay, the first thing we want to change is make the animations slower. Of course, there is one way to change it just simply in in the animator controller. We can directly change it like this. Okay, then we can change this one also to half speed. Yes, it's one way, but often sometimes we just want to change it directly in the frame, so we will not make all the animator controller speed be modified. So we can change them directly in the animation. How do we do with that? We will change the animation here. You can see if you start it to change, it shows animation clip is read only. There is a simple way to do it. Press Ctrl and D. You will have a copy of the attacker. Then we will. Oh, it looks nice. Then we can see all the points here. It's place, and we can see here is 24 frames here. Then we can see here there was 24 frames. Okay, there is an easy way to make them faster or smaller. Firstly, you can select the frame or use Ctrl A. You can drag them. So I will make them slower. Yes, done. Then we close it. It's not slower. It's because of our attack is pointed to the old animation, and let's change them to our new animation. We can even rename it. We can say new attack link, new attack. And we see it's a bit slower. We can even change it to more slower. Let's do it. Change it to more slower, slower, and slower. Perfect. Let's make it faster. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes we will need to change part speed of the animations. As for example, when the orc is playing attack, we want players to get height when the orc prepare the attack. It means 1 to 7. Let's make it. It's from 1 frame to 7 frame. We for this part we'll make it slower for the player to hide. How to do that? Let's check. First, let's see. Frame 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost here. So let's move the second part to here. Then we make this part longer. Let's check. Oh, you can see the orc waits longer. For the first part, we can make it even more. Yeah, okay. You see, the prepare time is longer. So finest, let's make all the animations smaller, like this. It will handle it, then attack. Can make adjust them like this. Okay, now you can see the orc will prepare the animation, then hit. So you can change any animation if you want for in any condition. Okay, hope you like our tutorial. We will bring you more. Please surprise us if you like. Thank you so much for today.